Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from soon-to-be-listed lithium explorer Lithium Power International is CEO Martin Holland. Martin, welcome to FNN.
Thank you for having me.
Martin, can you start by giving us an introduction to the company?
Lithium Power is a company focusing on the commodity lithium. We have chosen to give investors a diversified approach between hard rock spodumene in Western Australia and also brine asset class in Argentina.
And can you tell us why you're focusing on multiple geographic locations?
We have chosen as a company to focus on multiple geographic locations, as I said before, to give investors a diversified approach between hard rock spodumene, lithium in Western Australia, and also the brine operation over in South America.
I understand you've identified advanced mineral targets. Can you tell us a bit more about these?
Great, so our targets are identified in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. Have been located from the current magnetic work that we've done across the tenement portfolio. We've also done some gravity feature anomaly work in the Greenbushes area of Western Australia, and there's been a number of diamond holes drilled to date in our Argentinian salar that we've recently acquired.
Now, your tenement's adjacent to Pilbara Minerals and Altura Mining's lithium deposits. What's the significance of this?
The main significance is that the same greenstone that is in Pilbara's area and also Altura Mining's area rolls on to our portfolio. This is actually a very exciting process for the company. This was worked out through magnetic detail that was done late in 2015, and we're very excited as a company to explore this region.
Thanks. So who's been backing the company to this point? Who's on the board and what's the strategy?
Great, so to date we've done a seed capital round of approximately about 1.2 million Australian dollars. We have approximately 30 shareholders. We are now in the process of going to IPO to raise further capital to explore the assets that we've got. Moving forward in regards to board, we have a board which has approximately 160 years combined experience between it from a commercial and a technical point of view.
Now, taking a look at the lithium market more generally, where is demand coming from?
So demand is coming from the battery sector. We had the likes of Tesla last week come out with $10 billion worth of sales of their new electric vehicle car in the first day. There's obviously huge demand coming from the electric vehicle movement. There's also demand coming out of China as well, which being located in Australia here, especially in Western Australia for the commodity lithium, being that close to port and that close to the access through to China, it obviously makes the commodity lithium very attractive in this country.
And what's the price of lithium done over the past 12 months?
So the price of lithium, as I've talked about before, sort of like mid last year, the price has gone from approximately about $4,000 a tonne. It's skyrocketed through asiametals.com's site through the Chinese spot market to approximately about $26,000 a tonne this month. So we've seen approximately about 400-500% increase over the last period.
So what's the supply dynamic looking like going forward?
So the supply dynamic is quite interesting. We have more and more companies, especially junior companies, transferring from being a gold or a copper explorer to focusing on the commodity lithium. There's more and more players coming into the market, so you would probably consider that there's going to be more and more supply coming on, though it is very difficult to actually get to the final product. And we believe we are positioned as a pure lithium explorer, which will focus on this commodity and will be one of those companies that come to production.
Now, turning to your IPO, can you tell us about the size of the IPO, your expected listing date and the market cap of the company upon listing?
Great, so from a size perspective, we have a large tenement portfolio across Western Australia and Argentina. In regards to market cap, will be circa $21 million Australian dollars undiluted. We'll be raising approximately about $7 million in the IPO, which will be used for exploration, and we're expecting to list at the end of May 2016.
And when will the offer open to potential investors and where can they find the prospectus?
The offer will open in a couple of weeks' time. You can look at the prospectus on lithiumpowerinternational.com website or through our lead manager, Sequoia Corporate Finance.
So Martin, where will the funds be going?
Well, the funds will be used mainly for exploration on the targets that we've identified and also for working capital from a corporate and technical perspective.
And finally, Martin, what are the key milestones for Lithium Power International over the next 12 months?
The key milestones are to get the company listed on the ASX, to have the funds required to explore all our projects, and to really get to a point of understanding what's underneath this tenement portfolio that we own.
Martin Holland, thank you for the introduction to Lithium Power International.
And thank you for your time.